Lake Bled, Slovenia, a jewel framed in fall colors. Picture this, a serene lake, an island with a charming church, and all around it the fiery reds, oranges, and yellows of autumn reflected in crystal clear waters. That's Lake Bled in the fall, a hidden gem in Slovenia that turns into a mesmerizing autumn masterpiece. The scenery here is so stunning that it feels almost surreal, like stepping into a painting. When fall arrives, every tree surrounding Lake Bled seems to be in competition, flaunting the most vibrant colors nature has to offer. One of the best ways to take in this autumnal beauty is by hopping on a traditional pletna boat. As you glide across the calm lake toward the island, you're surrounded by a panorama of color that makes the experience feel like a dream. And if you're up for a bit of a climb, the hike to Bled Castle rewards you with a jaw-dropping view of the lake framed by golden autumn foliage. It's one of those views that you'll remember long after you leave. Besides the natural beauty, Lake Bled offers a cozy vibe that's perfect for fall. Imagine sipping on some hot Slovenian tea or indulging in Bled's famous cream cake while soaking in the incredible surroundings. It's a destination that offers not just sights, but also the tranquility and charm that makes fall so special. If you're searching for a spot that feels like an autumn postcard come to life, Lake Bled should be at the top of your list.